Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil from Hawkdive, and today I'm going to show you some benefits of using ChatGPT and how you can use ChatGPT efficiently. Now, first thing you can do to utilize ChatGPT into your daily lifestyle, you can add it in as an extension for your browser. I'm using Opera GX as my main browser, so I have added ChatGPT as an extension to it, which helps me in ways you can't even imagine, because in my daily to daily life I have to write professional articles and I have to make professional videos. Sometimes it can help me with retrieving informations from the websites that I don't even know about, and I don't have to search further than that. Now, here are some benefits of using ChatGPT and how you can utilize it as a tool in your basic lifestyle. You can use ChatGPT for information retrieval. Now you see, ChatGPT can provide quick answers to a wide range of questions. You can encourage it to answer factual questions, search for definitions, or obtain specific information from reliable sources. It can be particularly helpful for setting debates between your friends, looking up historical events, or even understanding complex concepts. Now, for people who don't speak a familiar language, you can use ChatGPT as their language partners. It can assist users in improving their writing or speaking skills. It can encourage its users to engage in conversations with itself. You can practice new vocabulary and receive feedback on your grammar and sentence structure. Now you can look up ChatGPT by going to your browser and typing ChatGPT. Simple as that. Now you can click on this first link introducing ChatGPT and click here, try ChatGPT. Now going into ChatGPT, first you have to log in. I have already logged in, so it'll just tell me about the stuff that I've already said or done in this. Now, first example, as I said, of ChatGPT is how, let's say I have to write a short description, right? So you have to give a prompt to the program itself to give you accurate suggestions. For example, I can say write a short description of ChatGPT for people who are beginners to internet. Let's say it's for old people per se. Say write it for the old generation of people. Okay, now it's gonna show you a script or something like that to introduce you to a more friendlier conversation. As I said, it can even act like your therapist. You know, it's way easier to get used to ChatGPT than it is with other AI platforms. And listen, it's gonna make you script like, are you new to the world of internet? Do you feel a bit overwhelmed by all the technology and jargon? Don't worry, because ChatGPT is here to help you navigate the online world with ease. Now you think, now you see, this is very specific for people who actually want to know about AI, the older generation, as I said. Now, let's make it do something more unique. Let's say, suggest me a time management strategy. Strategy. I am an 18 years old content creator who works on my YouTube channel for about 8 hours a day. I also study for 4 hours and I make music in my part time. This is a fictional kind of method I've, you know, made up just so you can understand. Now, here are some time management strategies. It's gonna give you some advices that you can follow to get better at time management. Now, this is just giving me some sort of, tips and tricks. I want to make a schedule for the above said. The above said from 6 a.m. in the morning to 9 p.m. Okay, now it's gonna give you a timetable that you can follow and make a better version of yourself. Now, you see, AI has grown so much better and so much. It's become so much easier to perform this task with AI. See, this is what I'm talking about. 6 to 7 a.m. morning routine and self care, all that good stuff. Now, 7 to 8 a.m. is study, 8 to 9 a.m. is break and physical activity, 9 to 1 p.m. is YouTube content creation. Okay, now after that, 1 to 2 p.m. is lunch break, 2 to 4 is study session, 4 to 5 is music making, and 5 to 6 is leisure time, like watch TV or something, anything like that. 6 to 7 is dinner time, and 7 to 9, it's your own flexible personal time that you can use. See, it's that easy to perform tasks. Now, third point is idea generation and brainstorming. Now, most creators like myself are faced with creator block or writer's block. Sometimes you cannot even think of new ideas. So, users like me or you can interact with ChatGPT to generate innovative concepts. You can provide it some context and it can offer you suggestions or alternate perspectives on the given topic. You can even ask ChatGPT to be your virtual assistant. It can help you to manage your schedule, set reminders, or create to-do lists. You can ask ChatGPT to schedule appointments, provide weather updates, or it will even suggest time management strategies. That is very helpful for a procrastinator like me. Now, lastly, I want to talk about some of the things that I use ChatGPT for. Now, I can explore new topics and interests, by which I mean ChatGPT can introduce myself to various subjects and provide personalized recommendations. It can encourage me to ask for a book recommendation, explore new niches, or seek information about hobbies I want to pursue. For example, let's say I want to learn how to play a guitar. It will give me several YouTube videos recommendations or some of the websites that are on the internet that provide these services. That is also very helpful for someone like me. It acts like your therapist, but you don't have to pay a penny for it. Well, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching this video and share this with your friends or families who want to know more about ChatGPT. You can subscribe to our channel and like this video for more content like this. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.